Hello everyone, it's Tanisha here, and today I'm going to be doing a closet clearer and what I'm selling on Depop video. I did a clear out a couple of months ago I think, but I'm doing another one and I'm going to try and sell on Depop. I have things pre-loved that just don't fit or I'm just not vibing with anymore. So if you're interested in what I'm selling, keep on watching. The first thing that I'm selling is this Nike jumper. I got it in my pre-loved Kilo mystery box. I did a video about it, so check that out. It is too small. I got a size medium box, but I think this is a kid's medium, so it fits, but the arms. I have long arms, I think. I'm 5'6", but I'm a size 8, but sleeves are usually too short for me. So yeah, I like this, but I have to sell it. The second thing is this blue Puma jacket. I got this in my pre-loved Kilo mystery box as well, but again, the arms are just a little bit too short by about 2 inches. If that's 2 inches, I don't know. It is nice. I can appreciate it, but I can't appreciate it too much because it's too small. This one saddens me that I'm getting rid of it, but I've worn it a few times over the last like 2 years that I've had it, so it makes sense to get rid of so somebody else can love it more than I ever did or will. So look at this, it's like such a cool pattern. It's puffy and you can like pull the strings so it like cinches, if that's what it's called. This is so cool. I'm sad to be getting rid of it, but it's just going to be sitting in my wardrobe for the next forever. I was at a Kilo sale probably 2 years ago and I found this rain jacket. I also found a red and white one. I no longer have those, but I had this and I thought it's cool, I'll try it. It's a small and the arms again are too short. I gave it to my mum and she just had it in a drawer forever, so I'm gonna sell this. It's really nice actually. I really like the colour. It's got shoulder pads because you know it's retro. The inside is kind of like fuzzy material. This would be really nice to have if it fit. So yeah, getting rid of this. The next thing is a cropped sleeve denim jacket. I found this at a charity shop about a month ago. I saw it and I was like, oh that's cheap, I can try to sell that. So here I am with this, trying to sell it. So technically this isn't part of the closet clear out, this is just me trying to promote me selling clothes. There's a tag to say it's a size 14, but I don't think it's a size 14 because it fits me a tiny bit oversized, a bit baggy. This is too cute not to put in the video, but my dog is sleeping soundly. These lids just wrapped in a blanket, asleep. Not being a good audience member, but you know. This is the next thing, second to last thing. It is a cropped shirt, blue and red. I really like this. I bought it for college because I needed a new wardrobe for it. And it holds some good memories, but I think it's time to let it move on. So it is cropped. It is one of my favourite shirts. I just don't think it's completely me anymore. I love this. It's still really good quality. It's from Missguided. And it is a size 10 and the sun's come out. For the last thing, it is this beautiful burgundy jumper. It's reworked. I bought it from Beyond Retro and they added this really nice tie lace thing. Wow, words aren't happening. It says Enter the Road on it. This is so nice. It's just not me. I think I've worn it about 3 times over the last literally 2 years. So yeah, it is a medium. It is not fitted on me. It's a little baggy, if that is any good context. Thank you for watching this video. That is everything that I will be putting on Depop right now. My account is called Ocean Shawl, but the shawl has an X instead of an O. I'll put it on the screen just so you know what I mean. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye.